3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? What's going on? Swede here from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Crosby, Still and Nash, Southern Cross. Cool. This song only has 3 chords. We got A major. Let's get to it. Standard tuning. 1, 2, 3. A major. We got G major. 1, 2, 3, and we got D. Tuning, there you go, D major, 1, 2, 3, and back to A. And we got these chords in different variations. For the verses, we got A major, G, strumming. And then we have that melody that is kind of important for this song, if you can play it. That's over D first time, or every time it's over D actually. It's hit the D, grab 2 on A, open A to D. That's the first time. And the second time we go D, 2, open, and play A. Then we got the pre-chorus, G major, G and A, G, D, G and A. 3 times. 1, 2, stay longer on A. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the end of each verse is a little bit different. It goes like this. D to A. So it's slower. Down, down, down. The second verse around that happens more often. First time it's only once at the very end. 2, 3, pre-chorus. If you can't play that melody, just strum the chords. But it's great if you can get that. It's kind of part of the song. All right, so let's review before we end the lesson. Main verses: A, G, melody over D, and end on D. Next time A, G, melody, and end on A. Last time of the verse, it's pre-chorus G, D, G, and A. And before chorus, stay longer on A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. Chorus. Start on D. Push. Cool. All right, folks. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you tomorrow with more fun stuff. Be safe. Thank you.